Here, well, I was gonna say, we need to, let me check something real quick. Oh, the outside's off. Just want to make sure. Yeah, everything should line up. Okay. Yeah. And we'll leave the hardware there. There's one on the back door too. Probably. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Try not to bounce around too much. Oh. That's one thing. It's kind of hard to get that lined up. He's got the extra working key that I need. Here's what I'm going to do. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. And this is our kit. And then the cradle is. Just had it. Don't forget the one on the back door.
Oh, yeah.
Where's my lock cradle? And you, yeah. Yeah. Looking for my silver cradle. I think it's that on me. I think I know where it is. It's my schleg. Rekey set. And you never know what you're going to need, so you bring everything. There we go. I don't know why I seen it. It was in this one right here. Yeah, it's not in it. Yeah, there it is. I have another one. It's actually Schleg brand. So here's a cylinder there and there. He's got the working key. I can go ahead and shim it, but I don't feel like doing that right now. What I will do is let me go get him to get the knob first. Close that for now. You don't need to take that off. Just use the ice pick on the key. Just turn it 90 once you put the key in.
Like to where it's locked?
Well, put it 90 degrees in the tailpiece. There you go. Perfect. Alright, let's have this. Actually, I need a key. You can just bring the whole knob. Alright, let's get smacking this thing around. I'm going to move these out of the way so he's not bothered by it. Close that door up there, Pat, if you don't mind. Sometimes you forget you can pull the knob off. Alright, so wires we got here? that there. There. Yeah, that's why I give you the ice pick. I know it's not that hard to remember. Ice pick's good. I've seen better days on these things. There you go. Over here. Yeah, you get that lost in there. It'll be kind of a butter. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do here. Baked on coatings. Alright. Yeah, you gotta almost put a key in it to keep it. Alright, let's do this out of the frame here so I can figure out which one we want to use. Okay. I don't like any of those. I'll get a pre-cut. I usually keep a pre-cut in there. Maybe actually put them right here. Alright. I gotta go through till I find one that feels good. Okay. It's weird, these are Parkers. That's Parker. Here's our bedding. Okay. Now I got the C-clips right here, so let's try to lose those. Oh yeah, it's the kind you don't want to take that piece off. Let me. Next size down. There, making a mess. There's that one. Let me just dump the pins right here. Pretty old. Dump it right there. Okay. I don't like that bitting. Wrong spot. Sometimes you gotta find a blank you want. I need to go there and get real pre-cuts. Okay, there we go. Get somewhere. Parker's. Okay.
Should take these out with the key.
Well, here. Just use any key to guide it. Here's a blank.
That's the issue. I have to be able to get a key in.
You want to do that, and I'll do this? Sure. Okay, let me have that. Yeah, these are fun.
What's the
Yeah, it should be. We're gonna make a total of 7 keys for them. Yeah, once you get so far on this, you kind of lost. Try to get something underneath the inside of it where we can guide the Bible to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm completely spun around. Yeah. Yeah, let me try this again. Oh man, okay. 20 minutes of playing with this. Fun. Alright. It's like once you get so far, it's kind of hard to.
Yeah. You almost just have to like shake it. Like,
yeah. It's like a Rubik's Cube here. Yeah. You gotta get that top piece. Haven't done this in a long time. You gotta get that where that Bible's line up your slot here. Yeah, got it, Pat. Alright. Almost there. Down the rabbit hole we go. Rabbit hole we go. Yeah, a small screwdriver here somewhere. Huh? The bites?
5s.
Oh, well, here, do a different key. That's the problem with some of those, you don't know what they are. That's a 6-pin. Okay, so I have another one. Yeah, I wondered. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, these can be. It's like you can't even get it to where you can. secret's trying to get the Bible lined up with this piece here. He didn't know to slip a key in it. Almost had it right there. Come on. Jeez. I've almost been out here by now. Almost right there. Damn it. I've never had this much problem.
Yeah.
There, got it. Ugh. Don't you ever do that again. Yeah, I'll get this E-clip off for you. Ugh. I'm going to put that over that hole, so I don't wind up losing it down there. This style here was here. There's that. Oh. Okay, there's those ready to go. I'm gonna put these shims up. I don't need them. It's got a weird, yeah. Okay. There's a follower. It's actually too big. Alright, I'll get this pulled out. This has been rekeyed before. Okay.
That you put it back on?
Yeah. Oh, this is the wrong clip. It's alright. I had these two cylinders for this.
Oh.
Probably the same thing because it's slag, but it's alright. Okay, there you go. Sure the old key don't fit. I've had that before where the old key fit. Perfect. Let me get some lube here. Okay. Sweet. Like butter. Here's the new key. Okay. Okay, if you want, I'll go ahead and let me make some keys. Some extras real quick. Yeah. I don't have my coffee flowing to my veins yet. I should have drank some coffee. I'm actually shakier I don't have coffee. Oh, that's actually my deadbolt set. And got an outlet here. Yep, right there. Yeah, setup shop right here. That's 7 keys. I need to get my inverter. Been in my car. I'm gonna borrow that key for just a hair. I'm just gonna copy one and I'll give it back to you. Okay. Oh, don't do that. That's a good way to run the day. I like this key. Router. There you go. And then we'll spray them out real good before we put them back in. Okay, so we've only got the one right now, right?
Yep.
Okay. Here, back. We're a little disorganized right now. Okay. I should tell you what. I don't have that bit on me. Darn. He took the whole knob off, so. Where's the rest of that knob set? Alright. Alright. Some of these actually. Not tight. That's better. Okay. That's what you run into. Hitting here. I have to adjust that. Can't do it till we get knob in. Alright. Put that there right now. And have a look at that hinge. I don't like it when they got it all around the glass. The hinges. Can't run a deep screw in it.
Can you get the clip for me.
Yeah. There you go. That front door doesn't latch right. I don't know. I mean, nothing wrong with our lock, but how it latches is not too good. Smooth. Okay. I'm gonna take the spray in with me. Yeah. Sorry, moving around too much. Okay. Of course, we don't have anything in it. Did that again. Okay. Just want to make sure I had that right. Made in China. Okay. We're getting there.
No worries. Nothing else going on.
Here. So your son's gonna go to college up here, huh?
Yeah, he goes to Wayne Show over here.
Nice.
So, he's good. Plays baseball, like 5 of them for 11 years, so.
Yeah. I need to grab a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Don't put those cylinders in without a key. About that again. Okay. Move it around, make sure I got it in the hole. Nice. Now, okay, that works good. Let's spray this thing out. Okay. Alright, so that's good. Okay, we're up against a seal, holding it from latching. I'm gonna go ahead and put this part on. Spray it out. so we're hitting. We're hitting, I think it's up right there. Alright, you got any of the other knobs done?
They're both done.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, that front door, the deadbolt's messed up. We're gonna have to fix the jam. Pump up the jam, pump it up. Alright, let me pop this one on there real quick. And then actually,
This one's good to go.
we'll do this one on the front because it looks cleaner. You might appreciate that on the appearance of the house. We're gonna have to make some more keys. 5 more. Okay. Locked, unlocked. See, it's going in, but not enough. And I think I can see where it's hitting. Anyways, here. If you want to make some more keys with the one you got, would you rather do that, or you want to put this on?
I can put this on.
Okay.
I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, tell you what, go ahead and do that and then make some keys. The key machine's in the key, or in the garage. Make sure both work. I'm going to have to touch this one up on the jam itself. And then, yeah, let me grab my drill and do this. Yeah, he's kind of confused. Like I said, I don't have my coffee, so I don't spit out a good direction. Get this stuff put away for now. Alrighty. We're gonna clean up the jam on this thing real quick. Don't need this anymore. There. No, they're bad. There you go. Alright, so well, it looks to me like it's not that I can go too much further on this. So we're gonna go this route. Maybe a better way to hold these. I want that and this. Should be some KW1 or SC1 keys in there. Yeah, just make 5 more. I'm gonna go clean this up real quick up here. I don't think there's metal in there. There it goes. And I can't really tighten those up anymore. Because they're up against glass. I can't run a deeper screw in there. So we're going to have to machine this down just a hair. like you're gonna be alright right there. Yep. Better. I will get a screwdriver though. See if we can pound that out to run there a little bit better. Okay. And of course, clean up your mess. You need to do a little bit of a fire job to clean that up. Didn't realize you got that shit there. Okay. In a little. Okay, let's see if that done. A lot better. Whew, hey, you can't run a screw in that. You don't want a hinge tweaker. That'll snap that wood. Okay. I might see if I can. I like it. Better. And right there. Right there. You're going too far. Hit. Pretty tight weather still. I'm hitting right there still. Okay, let me get something for that. I should have put the key on a tag. I think I got the key tag somewhere. My extra key somewhere. It's probably in my pocket. Let me go to that last doorknob real quick. I think I'm gonna run a different bit in here. That one right there. There's a flashlight. Sometimes you get on these jobs like this. Alright. We tried. I'm only doing this because this door still has to drop in more. Otherwise, you normally wouldn't let it go that far. That's better. All the way in, all the way. Perfect. That's the value you want. And just in here. Okay. Well, let's check out this other one. Nice. And maybe a key. Oh, excuse me. This is a good one. And now you reburn it. Ain't right. Let's get this figured out. Where did I put my key? Alright. Should need this one. This key here is wonky.
Yeah, it is a copy of a copy.
Yeah.
Whenever I was checking something.
Okay. So are you using the original?
I'm about to. Check this one.
What about this one?
Let me.
Let me go check it. Yeah, use the original. Yeah, that's a good one. Perfect. 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 Dynamite. Okay. So those work good. Go check the others. Alright, these were good. So I don't know where that walkie key went, but
I'm going over it again.
okay. It goes one way, but it won't go the other. It's like the bitting's right, but there's an angle to it. These are good right here. This good? Oh, 6-pin, isn't it? That's SC4. Yeah, I need to get a different container for those. Alright, so we're good. Just doing the finishing touches. Try not to move around too much, but kinda is what it is. Need a different body cam, different way to do this. Put those there and there. I'm gonna keep this tray flowing here. I don't know if that'll leak. I'll put that on the toolbox. I need those plastic bins. Actually, I got ahead of myself. Put that there. Alright. We're pretty much done, other than making keys, tidying up. That bit. Oh, I think that goes in my driver kit. Fell out earlier. Huh? Quick set. I'll dump those pins out later. Okay. Seat done. Maybe block part of this out. I just put away my pins, didn't I? Oh, still got one right here. Perfect. Alright. How do you watch him? So I talked about this the other day. Usually it's 25 per keyhole, but now I'm doing 25 per keyhole on each door. If there's an extra on the door, it's $12.50 each. So I'm only charging the full 25 for one because I'm fixing the door for that one, and the other keyhole is just $12.50 because I'm already there. I don't have to do anything else to the door, so that's how I'm doing that. And then I charge my trip, and then I usually give 3 extra keys. He wants 7, so I charge him 4 extra, and that's $3 per key. So anyways, let me see where we're at over here. Right back. We're going. In a total of 7. We had one already.
I need one more.
Okay. I already tried these. These are good, right? And then you got a pack of punches. You'll like those. So these are the good ones?
Yeah.
Alright, and then these. Okay.
Those are SC4s.
And these are.
Wait.
Those should be the good ones.
Oh.
In fact, I had a key.
I didn't put those there. That's why.
Yeah, I tried them earlier. They were very good. I got company. Look at that key ring. Six, seven. Could be the box there. Looks like I need a new cutter.
Huh?
Looks like I need a new cutter. It's taking a while.
Oh, wait, that's fantastic.
You Bert. We better hurry. We got a crowd coming. Alright. Let me check them all before we put everything up. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Looks like you got a crowd coming.
Yeah, I'm gonna move some stuff, I guess.
Alright. Alrighty, I think we're good. Let me get the order drawn up here. Alright, go on good. Everything works. Get out of here. Perfect. Have a good one, Bruce. Good to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
My mother was from Ponca City, Oklahoma. So,
Been there a bunch.
yeah. Have a good one. You too. Alright, we're out. I'll let my car start. Alright.